judges. I did send you notes, but I really appreciate the judges that are here and those that are not here, but sent me some very kind notes and called me and wished me congratulations. Also, my friends, my colleagues, my wonderful staff is here, and of course my family. All of you have honored me with your presence. And again, to receive this award from this prestigious organization, for which I am so proud to be a member, and now to have joined that very elite club of Gerald Baer, who's here today, and myself as the only males to receive the Justice Barbara Pariente Award is really special and humbling. And of course, this award is especially meaningful to me because it bears the name of my close friend, my mentor, and the senior partner of the Pariente and Silber law firm. Justice Pariente, and I think there are some of you who may remember, was a gifted and talented trial attorney who at the height of our practice decided there was another road she wanted to travel on. And so after 18 years together, Barbara began her climb of the Mount Everest of our profession. But 18 years was a remarkable run. And then Barbara decided that she had enough. So it's remarkable that my wife has put up with me for 43 years. And since today is our anniversary, thank you for your love and your patience, and most of all, your intestinal fortitude for hanging in there. I clearly married way over my head. Ladies and gentlemen, when you're in the last chapter of your career, though as Kobe Bryant said, I don't know how many pages are in that chapter, it makes you reflect and appreciate what this profession is all about. Barbara talked about the early days. Well, I remember when Barbara and I were young lawyers at the Cohn-Wagner firm, the firm would have these get-togethers with potential referral lawyers up in Stewart and Fort Pierce and Vero Beach. And now, as Barbara just told you, women lawyers in firms back in the 1970s was very rare, and women trial lawyers were even scarcer. So I recall at one of these get-togethers, I think it was up in Fort Pierce, introducing Barbara to a lawyer I had known, and Barbara shakes the lawyer's hand, and the lawyer says, "Oh, you must be Lou's secretary." Well, you know, Barbara took that very well. But when in 1993, when Barbara was appointed by Governor Childs to serve on the 4th District Court of Appeals, that same lawyer, who I think felt bad, I guess, wrote us both a letter and said, "Only in America could Louis Silber secretary be Times they are changing. Ladies and gentlemen, in the wonderful movie, The Philadelphia Story, Denzel Washington plays the attorney examining his client, Andrew Beckett, who's played by Tom Hanks, who has AIDS, who was fired from his law firm, and has brought a discrimination lawsuit. So at the trial, Denzel Washington asks, "Andrew, are you a good lawyer?" "I'm an excellent lawyer," Tom Hanks replies. "What makes you an excellent lawyer?" "I know the law. I love the law. I excel at practicing the law." "And what is it about the law you love the most, Andrew?" "Many things." "You mean what I love most about the law?" "Yes. What I love most about the law is that every now and then, not often, but occasionally, you get to be a part of justice being done, of really doing something meaningful. And that's quite a thrill when that happens. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been very fortunate to be involved in a number of important and meaningful cases. But I am most proud that I've had the privilege to advocate both inside and outside of courtrooms for women's rights and women's causes, to be a part of what Dr. King so aptly called a foot soldier in the ongoing struggle of human rights. That really has been a thrill, and it's truly enriched my practice. And I'm indebted to Mona Reese and her brave staff for giving me that opportunity and their trust and confidence. And so, I wish for all of you, not only the Justice Barbara Pariente Award, but whatever your cause is, whatever your passion is, that you embrace it, that you make the most of it. And in honor of Justice Pariente and all of the other fine judges that are here, we join with them and always remember that our goal is equal justice under the law. Thank you so very much.